Hello everyone. In my video about 11 days ago, I demonstrated how I cut off the head of my Aeonium Arboretum so as to encourage multiple branch as well as to shorten the stem to make a more compact plant. As you can see, that's from 11 days ago. The new growths have already emerged on those branches. So it's very easy, and after you see the new growths and they have the new leaves, you can actually have the old leaves removed. I'll show you how later at the end of this video. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to encourage the branching of this Aeonium Arboretum Variegata. This time my purpose is not to get more plants, so I want to do the top off in a minimum invasive way. So what I do is I'm just going to remove the tip with the help of a dental floss. So this is what I'm going to do to remove the tip. I'll show you how. So first I want to remove some of the leaves so I would have the room to put the dental floss in between the leaves. So I have that one removed, that one removed, that one. So now I can just take a piece of the dental floss and I put the floss here, and then just like that. Do you see? The top has been cut off, and the cutting is not very big, so hopefully when the new growths emerge, the place that I made the cut will become will not become very visible, not very obvious. So it will be a beautiful plant with multiple branches, and I was sure to do a follow-up on that as well. So this is what I've done, and I will wait for another maybe 2 weeks and I will do a follow-up. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.